In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove the idler pulley on your top load washer. So the first thing we're going to do is we have to release the two latches that hold the lid down to the machine. And all you need is a putty knife, and you're just going to insert your putty knife into that seam between the front and the top, and you find that latch. Once you found it, you're just going to take your putty knife and push in and lift the top up. And there'll be one over on the other side as well. Same process, slide it over till you find that latch, push it in, and that frees up the top. Now that we've got that released, we're just going to go down to the bottom, remove 2 Phillips screws, and that front will come right off. So there's 2 screws at the bottom that hold the front on, one on each side. We're just going to take those out. These are Phillips screws, so we're just using a Phillips screwdriver. Come over to the other side and take it out. Now with those out, it allows the front to drop down a little bit so the catches that hold it release. If they don't, you may have to pull down a little bit on the front and then it'll come right off. So to remove this idler pulley, you're just going to push the pulley in, release the tension on the belt and slip the belt off. So now with the belt out of the way, you can see we have a slotted, there's a shaft that goes up there that's got a slot in it and a nut that holds it. So what I have here is a blade screwdriver bit, fits in one of the universal style screwdrivers. I just put it into a pair of vice grips just to hold it. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to insert it up into that slot in the bottom of that shaft, just like that. I can take my 7/16 inch wrench and loosen this nut. Take that nut right out. Pull the shaft down. Take out my pulley. So with the shaft out of the way, you can easily remove that pulley. That's how easy it is to remove the idler pulley on this front load washer.